Most people are still using AI the wrong way. But these 7 tools, they can literally replace hours of your work and even make you money online. And number 5 might be the craziest one yet. If you're trying to build an online income, automate your work, or just save time, this video might change everything for you. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. If you want to save time, use ChatGPT. This is not just a chatbot, you can use it to write scripts, generate business ideas, create emails, even build side hustles. People are literally making money by selling content created with ChatGPT. But that's just the beginning. Tool number 2, Gemini. Want to generate images? Use Google Gemini. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, digital art to sell online. No design skills needed. And yes, people are selling AI images on Etsy and Fiverr. Tool number 3, your Atlas. If you want an AI secretary, use your Atlas. It can manage your tasks, organize your ideas, help you stay productive. Think of it as your personal assistant, but free and 24/7. Tool number 4, Lovable. Want to build a website without coding? Use Lovable. You just describe your idea, and it builds a full website for you. Perfect for beginners starting online businesses. This alone can save you hundreds of dollars. Tool number 5, Social Sweep. Want to grow your network fast? Use Social Sweep. It helps you find leads, grow connections, automate outreach. Perfect if you're building a personal brand or online business. And now, we're getting into the real money tools. Tool number 6, HeyGen. Want an AI video clone? Use HeyGen. This tool can create videos using an AI version of you. No camera, no mic, no editing. That's how faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. Tool number 7, Buddy. What about an AI chat clone? Use Buddy. You can create your own chatbot and even sell it to businesses. This is a real service people are charging for. Tool number 8 is Revio. Want to sell on Instagram DMs? Use Revio. It helps you reply automatically, close sales, convert followers into customers. This is where real money comes in. Imagine making sales while you sleep. If you're getting value so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because I post AI tools that can actually make you money. Here's the truth. AI is not the future anymore, it's already here. The people who learn these tools early are the ones making the most money online right now. So don't just watch this video. Pick one tool and start today. Comment below, which AI tool are you going to try first? And if you want more AI money-making strategies, subscribe now, because your competition already is.